This tariff story is the marginal mover of the market. There's been several movers of the markets in the last several ones, but this is the dominant. Take a look at the sectors again today. Every day I put up Chinese internet stocks are down again today. Metal stocks like the XME are down today. Industrials, your 3Ms, your General Electric, your United Technologies also weak today. Semiconductors, Jim was talking about that group here, down generically here. Micron's been down noticeably, and of course that AMD story, Susquehanna had a story out this morning about how AMD was gaining in certain sectors of the market. So AMD generally flat, Micron notably to the downside today. The important thing here is this trade war issue is really heating up. Sanctions against officials because of possible abuses and human rights abuses in China. They're asking Chinese, the WTO, for permission to impose sanctions on Washington. This is not going away. The market had been working on the assumption eventually it would go away, and it's not. You can see auto stocks in Europe, basic resources stocks, bank stocks, insurance stocks, all hitting new lows. So we've got some Chinese stocks at 52-week lows, like Tencent and Alibaba. JD.com essentially is there. Life insurance companies, automotive stocks like Geely Automotive are at 52-week lows. Put up some of the European financial stocks I had up earlier. HSBC is at a 52-week low. Julius Baer, some of the big private banks, the Swiss private banks, Prudential, Danske Bank, Jyske Bank, these Danish banks are also sitting at 52-week lows now. So this has been going on now for several weeks, and gradually the market is eroding. Metal stocks, I keep putting up metal stocks every day. Glencore, the big metals company over in Europe, is a 52-week low today. So this just keeps kind of grinding on here. So remember what's moving the markets. There are four marginal movers of the market. Number one is China and tariffs, and that's what's heating up now. That's what's moving the market. The dollar had been a big issue a month or so ago, but it is quieter in the last couple of weeks. The tech leadership issue, let's just say generically, it's down, but it's certainly not yet out. Let's call that undecided right now. And the Fed and the rate hike, well, it's not disruptive yet. So you can see here, look at these four things. It's the China trade war issue that's kind of moving the markets and affecting things overall. I just want to show you the S&P 500. Again, we do this all the time, comparing the enormous outperformance of the U.S. market this year compared to other markets. Here you're looking at that orange line. That's the stock 600, which is essentially the S&P 500 of Europe here. It's very simple. U.S. is up 8%. Europe is down about 5%. And that outperformance really started in May and June, and that's when these tariffs issues started heating up. So you can see a direct effect on our markets here. Now, it's true, we have been outperforming in terms of Europe, in terms of earnings all year over Europe. So there should be a small outperformance, but it really changed dramatically when the tariff issues came in. Carl, right now, Dow's down 75 points, and it's most of those big industrial names. Back to you.